Gold traded in a range yesterday, failing to break past the highs at 2052, which it has created very early in the day yesterday. And on the downside, 2035 levels proven out to be a great support. It has closed the day with a doji here. What does this mean? Can we expect a rise from here, or is it going to consolidate more in zone? Which position you should take trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, if you are not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Now look at the hourly chart. See, prices were divergent here from the moving average. It has taken the support so far from the 20 period moving average, and the moving averages are trading with divergence. This is a bullish sign still for gold. It is not showing any signs of retracement. Yes, retracement in the sense it is not showing any signs of bearishness. That is what I meant. Now, if you look at one observation, see the drop here and the retracement here. Can we conclude that it is still in the retracement zone, and can we expect it to fall in the similar zone? We have to wait for it to break 2040, 2039 levels. In fact, even if it drops below this level, 2035, 36 is going to be a good support. Yes, we have to wait a little. Only below 2035, you can say that the prices are turning bearish and we can look forward to further drop. As long as 2035 is not taken, I will say we can say a bounce back or swing again in gold. You have to be very, very cautious here with the positions. Also on the downside, see, we have seen gold getting very good support here and around this level, that is 37, 35. We have to be very, very cautious in between this complete levels, that is 2035, 2040. So if you're taking a position at 2040, we have to ensure that we are strictly trading with a stop loss at our entry price. Now, see, stochastic is in a comfortable zone, neither overbought nor oversold. MACD has seen a good bearish move, and see the waves here on MACD. First wave, second wave coming to the bottom, and higher high. So I will wait for a crossover. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here, coming to 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, the drop, the retracement, it is still trading in the zone. The highs are at 2052 levels again. Yes, if it stays about 2048 levels, see, this zone completely between 2048 to 2052 is a greater resistance zone, because beyond this, we will look forward to 2060 as the next milestone, and then all-time high levels will get it. Thus, we have to be cautious of the zone 2048, 2052. Now, what has happened here so far on the 2 hour chart? See these 3 candles and these 4 candles getting support at precisely same zone, that is 2043 levels here. Yes, this could be one of the greater supports. See, this is also resistance here. Thus, we have to watch out how it behaves at 2043, 2040, 2040, 2035 levels. Right now, it appears to be trading with a bullish bias. The stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence and bearishness. It is looking downwards, but it does not mean that it cannot scale to the highs here. It can. RSI very near to the overbought levels. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, my only worry point is the divergence of the price from the moving average. See what it has done here. After the rise, it waited for the moving average to climb up. It has touched and then it has seen the rise. So it appears we may see it consolidating. It will wait for the moving average to climb up towards 2040, 2035 levels, and then a possible rise can be seen. But right now it is very much into the consolidation zone, not willing to give up either on the upside or downside. 2043 levels certainly, or rather I will say 2042, 2038 levels certainly, very, very strong support zone is here. Stochastic comfortable. MACD, now see, MACD has crossed over here at the top. First red candle here. This is a slight bearish indication. We have to watch out more carefully what this candle and the coming candle does for gold. If the next candle also trades in red, you can say more bearishness may prevail here, because this is the crossover and it can diverge, continue to diverge and trade with the bearish bias. RSI is staying overbought as well, and hence a little bit of drop cannot be denied. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour charts, higher highs, lower lows, consolidation is going on here, and just observe these 4 candles. You will find a steep bullish zone here, and that is why I say we have to watch out more carefully how it behaves in between 2040 to 2030 zone. Specifically, the next candle is something I will watch out for. If the next candle takes a bearish turn, it drops below 2042, certainly more bearish momentum may follow. And then we can look forward to 2038 and then 2036, 35 levels. Remember, again, this is the level below which you can say that the prices are turning bearish. Also, look at the 20 period moving average. It is sitting now at around 2030 levels. The stochastic has dropped, trying to rise. MACD has seen bullish move. It is trying to converge here, but it has not yet crossed over. RSI is staying overbought. Coming to the day, before we look into the daily charts and I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, enroll in my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, the weekly webinar series, every Sunday I conduct a weekly review for the coming week, and where we discuss and take a holistic view of indices and commodities. Yes, register for the webinar. It will definitely enrich your trading, and you can also ask live questions there. Do not miss this opportunity. Visit the platform www.forexfunda.com. Yes, the link is there in the channel and video description. Visit the platform. Here you get the live market updates, the live charts. You can also initiate a discussion with the community, or you can schedule a call with me. This is the glimpse of the platform. Here you get the details of the batch, the webinar, the breaking news, and the economic calendar, the market data, everything is there. Do visit that platform. Now see, let's have a look at the daily chart. See, first of all, the preceding candle was a doji candle. Yes, it was also trading outside Bollinger Bands, and thus it has got a push. Today, the Bollinger Bands limit are expanded and it has come towards 1953 levels here, 2053 levels here. Definitely a greater resistance. The day has started at a lower levels and it is showing an upward push. However, another point to observe here is the too much of divergence of the price from the moving average. Right now, the 20 period is at 2000 levels. It does not mean that it cannot diverge more. It can. Second observation on the downside here is, see, a very strong support here is seen, and gold appears to be trading in this channel now. If you just connect the dots, highs at 2060 and the lows at 2035, 2020 levels rather, I will say. So this is a broader zone for gold. It can show you swing. If you look at a stochastic, this is extremely overbought here. The MACD has crossed over here at bottom, trading with divergence, is still looking upwards, and it has also come to a higher levels here. RSI is overbought as well. Thus, looking first, we'll talk about the levels to buy. Yes, you can buy here at 2048 levels. Expect 2052, 53 as the first target, which is definitely going to remain a greater resistance zone. In fact, the complete levels between 48 and 53 are going to remain a greater resistance. Beyond 53 is where bulls will try to take over, and I will look for 2060 levels. On the downside, you can sell 2042.38. This is the support zone, and hence somewhere here you can initiate a selling position, but be careful of 2035. And once it drops below 2035, that is the only point where bears will take over. We can look forward to 2030 and 2020. 2030, 2028 is the next support zone, and below that 2020 levels can be expected. Right now, looking at the momentum, 2020 levels appears to be a distant levels, but yes, these are markets. Anything is possible. We may see either bullishness or sideways movement today. We have to trade with caution. Strictly trade with the stop loss when we know that there are swings ahead. See you again before the US session. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch Signals channel and webinar series. Reach out to me for any of your queries related to these services, and for any consultation, you can schedule a call with me by visiting the platform forexfunda.com. Thank you very much.